GPU coprocessing. GPU coprocessing refers to the technique of using a graphics processing unit alongside the CPU to perform computational tasks more efficiently. What is GPU coprocessing? Graphics processing units, or GPUs, were originally engineered to render high-quality visuals for gaming and graphic applications. Over time, their role has expanded far beyond graphics. Today, GPUs have evolved into powerful coprocessors that accelerate complex parallel computations. They work alongside the CPU to handle data-intensive tasks more efficiently. This capability is widely used across industries such as artificial intelligence, scientific research, data analytics, and machine learning. In short, GPU coprocessing improves performance by combining the strengths of both CPUs and GPUs. CPUs and GPUs are designed to perform different types of tasks. A CPU contains only a few powerful cores. It is optimized for sequential processing and complex control operations such as decision-making and task management. In contrast, a GPU consists of thousands of smaller cores. These cores are designed for massive parallel processing, allowing many similar operations to run simultaneously. When CPUs and GPUs work together, they complement each other perfectly. The CPU handles control and coordination, while the GPU accelerates computation-heavy workloads. This collaboration results in faster and more efficient performance. Let us understand how GPU coprocessing works step by step. First is the CPU control layer. The CPU manages the overall program flow. It handles sequential logic, decision-making, and coordinates tasks across the entire system. Next comes data transfer. Input data is copied from the system's main memory to the GPU memory using the PCI Express bus interface. Then we have parallel execution. The GPU processes compute-intensive tasks using thousands of cores simultaneously, enabling massive parallel computation. Finally, results are returned. The processed output is transferred back to CPU memory for final processing and display. This coordinated workflow allows the CPU and GPU to work together efficiently, delivering high-performance computing. Now, let us look at some real-world applications of GPU coprocessing. First is artificial intelligence and deep learning. GPUs enable the training of complex neural networks much faster using frameworks like PyTorch and TensorFlow. This acceleration has made many modern AI breakthroughs possible. Another important application is scientific simulations. GPUs are used to model complex systems such as weather forecasting, molecular dynamics, physics simulations, and genomics research. With GPU acceleration, these simulations achieve unprecedented speed and accuracy. This helps scientists solve problems that were previously too complex to handle. Overall, GPU coprocessing plays a crucial role in advancing research and technology across multiple fields. While GPU coprocessing offers significant performance benefits, it also comes with certain challenges. The first challenge is memory limitations. GPU memory capacity is much smaller compared to system RAM. This requires careful data management, especially when working with very large datasets that exceed available GPU memory. The second challenge is data transfer bottlenecks. The PCI Express bus has limited bandwidth. Frequent movement of large data between CPU and GPU memory can reduce overall performance. Another major challenge is programming complexity. Optimizing code for parallel execution requires specialized skills. Developers must understand GPU architecture, memory hierarchies, and thread management techniques. Despite these challenges, careful design and optimization can help achieve maximum performance. Now let us look at the advantages of GPU coprocessing. The first advantage is enhanced computational speed and performance. GPUs contain thousands of cores that can process multiple tasks simultaneously. This dramatically reduces execution time for data-intensive applications such as machine learning, scientific simulations, and big data analytics. The second advantage is high throughput. GPUs are optimized to process a large volume of data in a given time rather than focusing on single-task latency. This makes them ideal for workloads that involve many small, repetitive operations. Overall, GPU coprocessing enables faster, more efficient, and scalable computing. Scalability is one of the major strengths of GPU-based systems. As workload demands increase, organizations can easily scale their infrastructure by adding more GPUs or using cloud-based GPU instances. This allows them to achieve near-linear performance improvements without redesigning their existing systems. As a result, businesses can handle larger datasets and more complex computations efficiently. Another important advantage is energy efficiency. For tasks that can be parallelized, GPUs deliver significantly higher performance per watt compared to traditional CPUs. This means data centers can process more information while consuming less power. Consequently, organizations benefit from reduced electricity costs, lower cooling requirements, and a smaller environmental footprint. Resource utilization plays a crucial role in system performance. By offloading highly parallel tasks to the GPU, the CPU is freed to focus on sequential operations and essential system management tasks. This balanced workload distribution ensures that both processors are used efficiently, maximizing overall hardware performance. Another key advantage is cost-effectiveness for specific tasks. For certain high-performance computing applications, GPUs provide a more economical solution compared to building and maintaining large clusters of high-end CPUs. This approach reduces infrastructure costs while still delivering powerful computational performance, making GPUs an ideal choice for targeted workloads. Despite its many advantages, GPU coprocessing also has certain limitations. One major drawback is limited single-thread performance. Individual GPU cores are simpler and less powerful compared to CPU cores. As a result, GPUs are not well suited for tasks that are sequential in nature or involve complex decision-making and branching operations. Another challenge is programming complexity. To fully utilize the power of GPUs, developers must learn specialized programming frameworks such as NVIDIA's CUDA or the open standard OpenCL. These platforms require advanced parallel programming skills, making GPU development more complex than traditional CPU-based programming. Another disadvantage of GPU coprocessing is memory constraints and data transfer bottlenecks. GPU memory, known as VRAM, is usually much smaller than system RAM. This becomes a limitation when working with very large datasets. In addition, transferring data between the CPU and GPU through the PCI Express bus introduces latency. If not handled efficiently, this can reduce overall system performance. Power consumption and heat generation are also major concerns. High-performance GPUs consume a large amount of power and produce significant heat. This increases operational costs and makes advanced cooling systems necessary, especially in large data centers. Proper thermal management is essential to maintain system stability and efficiency. Another limitation of GPU coprocessing is application compatibility. Not all algorithms are designed to benefit from GPU acceleration. Some applications perform better on CPUs due to their sequential nature or complex data dependencies. In such cases, using a GPU may not provide significant performance improvement. Synchronization issues also arise in distributed environments. When multiple GPU and CPU nodes work together, coordinating tasks and managing shared data becomes challenging. Improper synchronization can increase network traffic and cause delays, reducing overall system efficiency. Therefore, careful system design and task scheduling are essential to maintain smooth operation. In conclusion, GPU coprocessing represents a transformative approach to modern computing. By combining the flexibility of CPUs with the massive parallel processing power of GPUs, it significantly enhances system performance and efficiency. This technology enables groundbreaking advancements in areas such as artificial intelligence, scientific research, and large-scale data analytics, making innovations possible that were once beyond reach. Finally, investing in GPU coprocessing today helps organizations build future-ready infrastructure. It prepares them to handle tomorrow's computational challenges